Everybody knows Tokyo. Ancient temples, neon streets, and trains that seem to run like clockwork. But this modern map tells a different story. At the heart of Tokyo lies the Imperial Palace. For centuries, the city has grown outward from this place. Roads, rivers, neighborhoods, and railways spread across the landscape, each generation building upon the one before it. To understand modern Tokyo, we first look back. The streets of Edo still echo beneath today's metropolis, revealing the foundation of one of the world's greatest cities. Then came another chapter: earthquakes, fire, war. Each left its mark on Tokyo, but none defined it. Instead, every generation rebuilt the city, honoring what remained while creating something new. Today's Tokyo is a remarkable blend of history and innovation. Ancient streets meet soaring skylines. Traditional neighborhoods stand beside one of the world's most advanced transportation networks. Beneath it all, the city's earlier maps are still there, waiting to be discovered. This map reminds us that a city's greatest strength isn't found in never changing. It's found in carrying its history forward, growing through every challenge, becoming stronger with every new layer. Tokyo has never stopped becoming itself. Every city is built in layers. Every map has a story to tell. And we're here to tell it. Welcome to Cities Through Time.